In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to Squarespace. Whether you're looking to upload downloadable resources, integrate media into your pages, or simply organize your website's files, adding files to Squarespace is an essential skill for managing your content. I'll walk you through each step of the process. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident managing your file library efficiently. And if you're new to Squarespace, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to the Squarespace website and log in to your account. If you want a quicker option and you're already logged into your Google account, you can use the Continue with Google option. This will allow you to skip the manual login process and get straight to your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard here. Click on the specific website where you want to add your files. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple sites on Squarespace, as selecting the right one ensures you're working on the correct project. Now, on the dashboard for your chosen website, locate the Assets section. This is essentially your digital library where all your uploaded files are stored and managed. Think of it as the central hub for all your media and downloadable content. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to open the asset library. Inside the asset library, look for the Upload button and click on it. This is your starting point for adding new content to your site. Whether it's an image, document, or any other file, this is where the upload process begins. Next, browse your computer or cloud storage to find the file you want to upload. Make sure you know exactly where the file is saved beforehand, as this will save you time and help you avoid any confusion during the upload process. Once you've located the file, select it and confirm the upload. At this point, keep in mind that the upload time may vary depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Most platforms, including Squarespace, provide a progress bar or indicator so you can monitor the upload status in real time. Once the upload is complete, you'll be ready to manage or integrate the file based on your needs. You can use it as a downloadable resource for your audience, integrate it into a specific page on your site, or apply it in whatever way fits your project. Squarespace makes it easy for you to customize how these files are used, so take a moment to decide where they best fit in your content. After uploading and integrating your file, it's a good idea to optimize it for web use. Optimized files load faster, which improves your site's overall performance and ensures a smoother experience for your visitors. For example, compressing large images or converting files to web-friendly formats can make a big difference in how quickly your pages load. Finally, take a moment to organize your asset library. Properly naming your files and using folders to group similar content will save you a lot of time as your site grows. Keeping everything neat and accessible ensures that you can quickly find and manage your files in the future without digging through a cluttered library. And that's it. You've now learned how to add files to Squarespace, manage your asset library, and optimize your content for better performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.